Hey, Mark Rice here, and today I will show you how to draw a funny and simple character design. It will be just a portrait, and it will be very useful for your illustration, animation, cartoons, and so on. So let's start. First we will start with the rectangle tool, so hit M on the keyboard and start to draw. Okay, we got the first rectangle, and we can use the skin color for it. I will copy the rectangle with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F command. Hold Shift and move it up. Okay, beautiful, we got one more rectangle, but this one will be lighter. And with rounded corners. Okay. Now I will draw the eyes. So hit L on the keyboard, hold Shift and draw the circle. It will be white. Okay, I will copy it with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F, hold Shift plus Alt and change the size. The new shape will be black. Okay, I will group the shapes with Ctrl+G and copy it, just hold Alt, move it here, and that's it. Now group the shapes, hold Shift plus Alt and change the size. Okay. Here I will add one more rectangle in the same color as the skin color. So hit M on the keyboard and draw the rectangle. The new shape will change the mood of the character, but I will talk about it more in the next video. Group the shapes. And now hit M on the keyboard and draw the eyebrow. Make the round corners and copy it. Just hold Alt and move it here. Group the shapes and that's it. Now it's time for the hair. It's very easy. You just need to draw a circle, so hit L on the keyboard, hold Shift and draw a circle. I will copy the circle with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F, hold Shift plus Alt, change the size, move it here. And now I'll copy the new shape around the edge of the big circle. So go to the tool panel, select Rotate tool or just hit R on the keyboard, hold Alt and hit in the center of the big circle. Okay, here I will change the angle, it can be 20, and hit the copy button. Okay, now I can repeat the process with Ctrl+D command. That's it. Select the shapes and use Unite in the Pathfinder. Hold Shift plus Alt, change the size and send to back. Cool. Hit M again and create one rectangle here. Select it together with the hair, so select the new shape, hold Shift, select the hair and send to back. Or we can send it behind the hair as well. Okay. Now I need the semicircle for the mouth, so hit L on the keyboard, hold Shift and draw the circle. Now hit M on the keyboard and draw one rectangle here. Select the rectangle together with the circle, just hold Shift and use -front tool in the Pathfinder. Okay, we just got the cool mount, but it can be even better if we add more details. So we can use the black color for the mount. Hit M. Draw one rectangle here. White rectangle. Select the direct selection tool in the tool panel. Select this point here and make this corner round. I will repeat this process, but I will use red color for the new shape. Okay, so I will select the new shapes, just hold Shift, and here in the Pathfinder use the white. Now I will ungroup the shapes and delete unnecessary parts. Okay, that's it. Here I can add one more rectangle. One more. And for the chest we can use semicircle. So I will create the new one. Okay, we just finished the flat design portrait. As I said before, in the next tutorial I will show you how to draw a different face expressions, so stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace!